I was working with somebody today. This isn't a question. This is just a story. I was working with somebody today, another person who just signed up to be a life insurance agent. Not with me, but with a buddy. I don't even know if it was a buddy, but it was somebody who works for a multi-level marketing organization. And the way there's some life insurance companies out there that operate like multi-level marketing organizations, and they just recruit. Their goal is to build a downline that they get to make money off of. And what happens is they just end up churning through agents. They'll hire somebody, and it'll be somebody that either they've already bought a policy through them, or they're planning on getting a policy through them, or they hire them and then that person buys a policy, because part of the pitch is you want to own the policy so that you know what you're doing, right? Own the product you sell. Demi, hey, how's it going? Good life to everybody on the stream. Yes. So what they do is they'll recruit people, and those people will buy a policy. They'll buy an index universal life policy, typically through something like Transamerica, and then they don't actually get any of that commission from that policy. Their upline does. So they write that policy through their upline, and then they start to sell these policies, and they get like 30% commission based on whatever the target premium is. And if anybody's been listening to my stream for a while, or you've watched my videos, you know what target premium is, right? Target premium is how the agent's commissions are determined. So they get about 30%. Their upline probably gets another 30% or so, maybe less. I don't know, because I haven't actually been in one of those companies. But then that person's upline gets a cut, and the person above them gets a cut, and it just goes up. That's how the multi-level marketing organizations work. Well, if this person, first of all, his policy wasn't designed very well. It was decent in that it used a level B, or an option B death benefit, which is an increasing one. That's like the very bare minimum you can do to create a policy that will grow in cash value to the benefit of the owner. Okay, but there's quite a bit more you can do. And this didn't do any of that. So it paid a good commission, but none of that went to the agent. So it went to the uplines and all those folks. So then that person's expected to go sell to their friends and family, and then a lot of times the agents go out of business after that because they can't really find anybody else to sell these to. And so they just churn through agents. They just keep getting more and more agents, and they sell their friends and family and move on. That's how these end up working. Well, I let this person know. I was like, if you just come and sign up with the place that I work with, you basically can get like 90% of the commission right off the bat. You don't need 30%. Carlos, good evening. How's it going? So you could basically get 90% of the target commission. Now, with the way that the policy is designed, it's actually going to be at 90%, you'll be less than what you would get at 30% with selling that bad designed policy, but you're going to actually, it'll only be a little bit less, and you're going to actually design these policies for the benefit of the client. And so I got to show him what that policy looked like and compare it to what his policy was designed as, and it just blew his mind. So anyways, I love doing that. I love talking to folks and showing them what's possible with these things, especially other agents, because they are not being trained to design these policies for your benefit. So I really enjoy doing that. And if any of you guys have ever had a meeting with me, you could probably see it. My face really lights up as I'm going through this, and I'm showing you exactly how it works and how it should be designed. And anyways, I have fun with that. This was a question asked and answered during one of our Wealth Care Wednesdays live stream. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, or join us on one of our Wealth Care Wednesday live streams where you can ask the question and we'll answer it on the air live. Hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time. Now go maximize your cash flow.